Reddit, what's the dumbest thing you've ever bought impulsively? I'll never forget the day I impulsively bought a haunted, cursed typewriter. Yeah, you heard that right. So I was browsing through a quirky thrift store, and this mystical-looking typewriter caught my eye. The owner, with a mysterious grin, warned me about its dark history. Ignoring his warning, I bought it, thinking it would be a cool conversation starter. Little did I know, the typewriter had a twisted sense of humor. At night, it would clack on its own, typing creepy messages like, "I'm watching you." I couldn't sleep, fearing it would crawl out of its eerie shadows. I tried selling it online, but it always found its way back to me, like some cursed boomerang. In the end, I buried it in the deep forest, hoping to rid myself of its haunting presence. So much for a cool conversation starter, huh? Moral of the story? Don't mess with haunted typewriters.